Let me change. So let me change it.
Oh. Alright. Now that we've got the chairs done, now I'm getting the table done.
Thank you.
And we're in the actual apartment. First I'm doing the table floor. Because
you gonna eat.
So getting the table up to the second floor and getting it through the front door would be kind of difficult now.
Now she gonna cry now. She'll be crying now. I hate when she cry.
Yeah, she's babysitting you, little cute little baby. But because we don't know what kid is going to grow up, we're not going to show the cute little baby for it, unfortunately.
No,
we don't know if the little
that.
baby will grow up. But oh, I didn't want to be filmed on YouTube.
It doesn't matter, not without the parents' permission.
That too. I'm expecting this table to be fairly quick, straightforward. Like maybe 6 screws.
Was there any extra screws left for the box screws?
None for the chairs.
Okay.
None just for the tables.
Okay.
They've gotten very good about only putting what you need.
Yeah, two screws that fell out of my 2 chairs that I didn't get from the table. I got the screw. My grandson probably come from way somewhere to get the table set Monday. I said, oh God, I'll be cramped up in here.
Yeah. All right.
The lady that's speaking is the lady we're doing the favor floor at no charge of ours. From us, putting it in the car, assembling it, bringing it over, and all this other stuff that goes with it. We're doing it out of the kindness of our hearts.
Look, this is a video that you get to see.
Yeah, and you get to see it being done.
In the event that a screw falls out of your table or your chairs,
go to Lowe's.
I think you can go to Lowe's and get a machine screw to replace it.
Yep, you can.
No. I got screws that came out of my old chair table. I laid it in the chair.
Yeah.
It dropped out just now when I moved it.
And for the viewers who wants to know, this table and chairs was made in China.
Yeah, made in China, but patented in
California.
In California.
Illegally patented in California.
Pretty funny.
Sold by 7th Avenue.
Patented in California, but made in China.
Yep. Probably on an assembly line, just the parts. And put in a box, and then 7th Avenue orders a bunch of them, and then they ship them out to their customers.
Alright.
And their customers get to assemble them. The difference is you get a discounted price. You don't pay in a company to assemble it for you. But that option is available on Amazon, and I think it's $50 on up. Okay, and here's all the parts.
Not quite.
Except for the tabletop. Here's the pieces.
Do it now. Wait. Stop.
David.
No.
Welcome back, and I kind of stopped recording because I wanted to make sure everything was here, because I just want to go straight through and just blitz right through getting this table done, and everything is here.
No.
I thought there was actually something missing. There was nothing missing. Everything's here. All the rings, all the stuff, all the fees and all that stuff's all here. This is going to be a bit of an interesting challenge to do.
No.
Alright, so what I want to do is basically try and get the rings started on the legs.
Blah, 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 blah.
Alright. Now, I've done the smart thing and actually got everything orientated the same on the legs, so that way it's just straight through and boom, 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 boom.
Shouldn't you just do one leg at a time?
I'm going to put 2 legs on here. That way I can have the use the legs to brace up the rings so that the rings stay in place. And put the other ring on. Alright.
Okay.
There we go. This is a very difficult style of assembly because you want to try to make sure your screws and everything isn't binding too much. The screws machining does what it's supposed to do, and that is basically last. Alright. Alright.
We should have assembled it out in the hall.
Actually, ironically, I'll be able to do this with the amount of space that will work with.
That isn't what I meant.
I know what you meant. It would probably be hard to get the table back in here because it's so big. I'll try to figure out some way to mute the video.
You gotta mute the background noise.
Yeah, I'm going to try to mute the background. Don't worry about it. Just let me handle the video. So don't worry about whatever you hear or whatever you
I'm
see.
talking about the TV. I asked her to shut it off.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
I doubt the camera will pick up the TV. Regardless, I want to mute the background on the video though, so it's no big.
I don't know how we can do this.
What I'm going to do is, we've got the video broken up, just don't put it together or anything, just leave it the way it is, the table part of it, and leave it unlisted, and I'll take care of everything.
Okay.
No.
Okay, now, people, he's gonna do that for the other two legs, so I'm shutting it off.
It's a three-legged table. But I got these big gargantuan hands. Well, they're going to be an interesting one. If I had 2 screws in each leg, I would actually put the legs on the table and then done the rings.
No, doing the rings is a smart thing first.
Because I could have used the tabletop to actually position the legs so that way they could have been pre-lined up.
Okay, no more.
And slip the rings in and tighten them down.
There's 2 rings on each one.
Yeah.
This is an interesting table design. It's got a lot of stability to it.
This assembly's a pain.
Yeah, I know. Some of these are a lot of work. I'm so thirsty. Can't wait till I get home and get something to drink.
Gotta make drinks at the house.
Yeah, I gotta clean, reuse cage, make dishes. Gonna make salads for you tomorrow. Do dishes. I don't know if I can.
Alright.
Oh, the table's got a white top.
I thought they were blue. Was in the plastic over the seat covers. Was in the plastic over the seats. See, like the plastic I got in the chairs right there. When I had was the plastic already on the seats.
Yeah.
I should have told you leave it on like she did there. She screwed those back on top of that, the plastic.
David has totally assembled them 100%.
Yeah, I want the plastic to stay on there so it won't get dirty. Oh, that's okay, well.
No, each individual piece was wrapped up.
Not actual plastic seat cover.
There weren't no seat covers.
And those,
One piece was wrapped in a piece of plastic, another piece was, another piece, another piece. All those had to be assembled from the ground up.
Oh, okay. All right. Look,
They were shipping plastic, not plastic seat covers.
No, there was no plastic sheet covers. This is...
Yeah, notice how she did. She put the same plastic back over there. That's okay.
You couldn't do that because the back of the seat only had a little cover over like this, and then the aluminum pieces had covers on them, and then the bottom of the...
Okay.
They were only wrapped for shipping.
Yeah, oh, okay. Okay, you finished now. Okay, I'm finished. All going. You don't want to eat no more. Okay. Stop. Stop. Okay.
David's a baby. You put that one on upside down, Dave.
I know.
You did it for the chairs too. They had to disassemble one and do it, and only one for the table, so at least that's the equal amount. I see why the stores charge so much for assembly. I really do. And what I'll do is, we'll give credit for the music to be a YouTube approved music. There's one chair leg over here, don't got it.
That's what I wanted to be a round table. This square round.
Round.
Round? Okay, good. That's what I want. It's so small.
Are you even actually filming, or are you just aiming at the floor?
No, I'm filming. I'm getting tired, David, okay? You know I just had that surgery yesterday.
Who had the surgery?
Oh, I did.
She had a tooth pulled.
Yeah, they had to remove part of my gum and everything.
You sounded good though.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay.
All right, I'm gonna shut it down. You're gonna turn up the tape.
At our firm, we have a goal for the client comes first. Our goal is to earn your trust every day.
Put one chair behind the table. We'll put that thing on above the chair and sit on the floor.
Chairs are a bit lower than your old ones.
These are chairs, these are not bar stools. Okay.
Thank you for watching, and that's the symbol of the deal chairs. The reason we put music over this video and not actually saying stuff is on account that there was a lot of background noise, and that's why you didn't hear anything really from the table part of the video.
She wouldn't turn off her TV.
Thank you for, well, actually that and the baby kept being a bit noisy. Babies. Thank you for watching. As always, peace out, and take your favorite table or chair and push it in that like button.